My sweet sister, get up. It's morning.
Let me sleep, Peter. I feel sleepy.
It's time to get up. It's 9 o'clock. Mom and Dad are waiting for you at the breakfast table.
Today is Sunday. I want to sleep more.
You've slept enough, Emily. Get up, please. I need to talk to you.
You are very stubborn, Peter. You always do what you want to do.
I'm headstrong. I can do what I want to do.
Yes, you are. Well, now tell me, why were you bent on getting me up?
I told you, get bored without you. I need to talk to you and play with you. Come, have your breakfast, then we'll ride our bicycle. We will compete in a bicycle race.
You always lose to me in a bicycle race.
I know you are good at riding a bicycle, but I hope I will win today.
Good morning, kids. What are you busy with?
Good morning, Dad. We were just talking.
Good morning, Dad.
How did you sleep last night?
I slept well, thanks. I have a dream about going to the beach.
That sounds like a fun dream. Maybe we can plan a beach trip soon.
I had a hard time falling asleep. But once I did, I slept okay.
Is there anything on your mind that you want to talk about, sweetie?
I have a workload from school. I'm not complaining about my teachers, but I get exhausted completing the homework.
Don't worry. I'll talk to your teachers about that. I'm heading to the supermarket. Do you need anything?
Dad, get some chocolates for me, please.
I would like to have vanilla ice cream.
I will buy a bucket of KG vanilla ice cream and a box of chocolates. I'm going to ask your mother whether she needs anything from the market. I'm heading to the grocery store. Do you need anything?
Yeah, I do, but I think I should go with you.
That would be great. You will help me shopping.
I will make a list of things, so we may not forget anything.
Perfect. So let's check what's in the pantry and fridge to see what we already have. It will help us avoid buying unnecessary items.
Good idea. We should focus on getting fresh produce and ingredients for meals we plan to cook this week. It's always better to eat home-cooked meals and save some money.
Absolutely. Cooking at home is healthier and more cost-effective in the long run. Plus, it's a great way to try new recipes and improve our culinary skills.
I completely agree. And let's not forget about any ongoing sales and discounts. It's always nice to save a few bucks.
Definitely. We should always be mindful of choosing sustainable options and support local producers. It's important to make environmentally conscious choices.
I'm glad you mentioned that. Let's prioritize organic and locally sourced products. It's a small step towards promoting a healthier planet.
Agreed. All right, we are all set. Let's grab our reusable bags and head to the market. It's going to be a productive and mindful shopping trip.
I'm looking forward to it. Shopping for food can be fun and rewarding, especially when we are making conscious choices. Let's go.
Let's do it together. We'll make sure we have everything for meals we plan to eat this week. Frozen products are available in this section. You can check your favorite one.
I'm gonna grab some nuggets and fries for kids.
Oh, you remembered me. Emily asked me for vanilla ice cream.
Wow, there's a big offer on nuggets. I can buy 2 packs. We are home, my darlings.
I've grabbed your chocolate and ice cream.
Thanks, Dad. You are the best dad in the world.
Thanks, Dad. I love you, Mom and Dad.
If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and share. Please support us to present more useful conversations for you.